Lux Organics Open House for affiliates. And magsishoot ako. So nagsistart na ako to film and I'm filming these products. Ito yung mga first batch ko. Like, since we have here 250 products na pwede namin gamitin. Okay guys, so tapos na ako mag-film. Ito. And ako ng mga next products na film. Okay guys, so tapos na ako mag-film and it's currently 11:19 na. And may pasok na ako after this, so kailangan ko po mag-get ready. Guys, may pa-free lunch ang Lux. Ayan. Hi guys, tapos na kami mag-film and sila. Ang friendly nilang lahat kahit mas matanda sila sa akin. Okay guys, I'm going home and I got my PR na from Lux Organics.